So in this question we read that a dog is tied to the corner of a rectangular shed with a 10-foot leash. And the shed is 8 feet by 11 feet. The greatest distance that the dog can travel as it moves from point A to point B to the nearest tenth of a foot is blank feet. So what we're looking at here is this red line here. Now, to go from A all the way around, that was terrible, but let's go up to here. So not quite B, but we're going around the outside there. Yikes. This is going to be an arc length question here. So we know that arc length is going to be R multiplied by theta. But actually, I'm going to break this into 2 bits here. So my arc length, my total arc length is going to be R1 times theta 1 here, plus, and then we're going to have this other little bit right here, and I'll switch colors. This little bit right here, and that's going to be R2 theta 2. So the total distance that we've gone, or the total arc length that we're going to cover, is going to be these 2 bits right here. So now, first of all, we have got a radius of 10, and the angle that it's going to go through here is 270 degrees. I mean, you can see by looking at it, 270 degrees, 3 90-degree pieces. And as such, it's going to be 3 pi over 2s when we're in radian mode. Then we're going to add this little piece to it over here. Now, this little leftover bit here is going to have a radius of 10, what do we got here? 10 feet minus 8 feet. Okay, and so that is going to give us a radius of 2 with an angle of pi over 2. It's just that one little bit left over. So when I put that all together, I have got 10 feet going around 3 pi over 2 radians, plus I've got an additional 2 feet going just the pi over 2, just the 90 degrees at the end there. When I put this all in, I am going to get 50.265 ... We are going to round this to the nearest tenth of a foot, so this will be 50.3 feet.